สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome to Loch Dochart Castle in front of us here. There's someone going to see the castle. Going up there to see the castle. Beautiful sun setting. See reflection in there. So we are on the main road. This is A82. So when you're passing the main road, you can see the castle in the view. There we are. Welcome everyone. We are flying drone now to go and see in the sky what it looks like. Because we don't have a boat to get there. There's someone had a canoe to get there. It was very clever, and I must buy one. ขอบคุณมากค่ะเราไปดูกันค่ะ This is the Loch Dochart Castle, and it was built by Sir Duncan Campbell. First built around 1583 until the structure you see is 16th century. It was burned down in 1646 by John McNab. So it's a 3-story townhouse, you see, 16th century. The castle designed as a residence, not the fortification. Quite comfortable look quite comfortable here. Beautiful fresh air, sunshine, I'm sure, in the sunny, beautiful summer, beautiful view. The castle here owned by Sir Duncan Campbell, or Black Duncan, he owned about 7 castles in Scotland around here. Sir Duncan Campbell was born around 1550 and died 1631 of age 81. So he the only one who owned this castle. Look at the water, crystal clear, beautiful. Look at that. I'm sure you can walk down there. It's not quite deep as I thought. ไม่ลึกนะดูแล้วเดินได้มีแต่ทราย It's beautiful, isn't it? Imagine live here, how peaceful it is. Thank you very much for watching everyone. I really appreciate it. ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามารับชมปราสาทดอกฮัตปราสาทล้างกลางแม่น้ำสวยค่ะวิวกินขาดเลย Thank you everyone for watching again, and you know that the Campbell family is a powerful family in Scotland in the old day. Clan Campbell. So I heard it's a Black Duncan, and I would like to thank again for friendships and always supporting my dear. Much love to all. Enjoy this view, such a tranquil and scenic view. And soon I saw the swan here. Well, a few swan at distance, but don't go too close to them. Go look at the distance. เห็นห่านค่ะหงส์ไม่ใช่ห่านนะหงส์นะประมาณ 4-5 ตัวอยู่ตรงโน้นค่ะนั่งตรงโน้น Just a dead there. There's a few. แต่อันนั้น 4 or 5 landing now. Enjoy the other. We don't want to fly too close just in case it's getting a bit scared. So they stay for a while here. I think they kind of resident here. The spot they come and go. Thank you again. Enjoy the view, my dear.